Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to repair a Vega trimmer. First, always ensure your trimmer is unplugged and turned off for safety. Begin by inspecting the power cord and charging adapter for any visible damage or frayed wires. A faulty power source is a common issue. Next, carefully clean the trimmer's cutting head and blades, as accumulated hair can prevent proper operation. Finally, confirm the battery is fully charged before proceeding with further diagnostics. If your trimmer isn't cutting effectively, the blades are often the culprit. Carefully remove the blade assembly, usually by sliding or unscrewing it. Inspect the blades for any nicks, bends, or excessive dullness. You might need to sharpen them with a fine grit stone or replace them entirely if they are too damaged. After cleaning or replacing, apply 1 or 2 drops of specialized trimmer oil to ensure smooth operation and reduce friction. When the trimmer doesn't power on or the motor sounds weak, it's time to look inside. Carefully open the trimmer's casing, often with small screws. Check the motor for any loose wires or corrosion on the contacts. Sometimes, the motor brushes might be worn out and need replacement. If the motor still doesn't spin after these checks, it might be faulty and require a new one, which can be purchased from authorized service centers. A common issue for cordless trimmers is a failing battery. If your trimmer isn't holding a charge, use a multimeter to test the battery's voltage. If it's significantly below its rated voltage or doesn't hold a charge after several hours, it's likely time for a replacement. Always use a compatible battery. Once all repairs are complete, carefully reassemble the trimmer, ensuring all screws are securely tightened for safe and proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.